As a mom, being an entrepreneur can be a whirlwind of challenges and responsibility. There's juggling the demands of creating content while taking care of your family. But fear not, because today I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks that'll help you with that. Let's go. So let's just jump right into it. We're going to start off by creating a list. You want to create a list of your tasks, your goals, and other priorities for your business. This can help you stay organized and focus on what truly matters for your business. You can use a planner, you can use a calendar, you can use online things. I love Notion, but I know other people like ClickUp and Trello and Asana and all of those. Try them out. See which one works for you and helps you stay on task. Additionally, when you're creating your goals, you want to create those into smaller goals. And I'll link up here on how you can set those goals when I broke them down in a prior video. Next, you want to stop multitasking. Stop trying to do it all at once. Attempting to do too many things can actually diminish your productivity and also the quality of your work. Instead of doing all of the things at once, try focusing on that one thing at a time. Also, find what you're passionate about. This might take some time to do. I know it took me quite a while to figure out what I wanted to do and what I wanted to make videos and content about. It took me over 6 months just to figure out what I was passionate about, and turns out I've spent almost a year researching YouTube and content creation and all of those things. So that's what I decided to start sharing about. Doing something that you love and also enjoy can make it easier to stay motivated and focused. Find your passion, find your purpose, find your reason for being a mompreneur, parentpreneur, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call it. Find your passion and find your why. And remind yourself of it often. My whole goal of trying to be an entrepreneur is, 1, I want to help other people do it. And 2, I want to stay home with my kids. I don't want to continue to go to the 9-to-5 life. I don't want that. I want to create and enjoy and do all of the things on my time. You can help remind yourself of all of the things that you want to do in the future by creating vision boards or even a motto that inspires you. Also, we need to take a second and get real with ourselves because, again, don't try and do all the things at once. We need to get real with ourselves. We need to set realistic goals and expectations on what we're trying to do. This will help us avoid frustration and also burnout later on down the road. Be aware of your strengths and your weaknesses. Focus on those strengths. Don't focus on the weaknesses. Yes, there's going to be some things that are hard and tough, and they're going to count as weaknesses in the beginning, but they might later on count as strengths. And if you can delegate your weaknesses to other people, by all means, do that. Also, don't be afraid to decline opportunities if they don't go along with your goals or your values. We want to also create a productive work environment, a dedicated space where we can focus and do all of the things that we need to do for our business. You want a clean, organized, and comfortable environment. Again, my desk is small. I don't have a whole lot. I have my lamp, my camera, my computer, my phone, and a drink. That's all that's on my desk. 1, because that's all that'll fit, but 2, it helps me stay organized by not having all of the things all over the place. Of course, you can add personal touches such as photos to keep you motivated or a small plant, but don't get overwhelmed by all of the things on your desk. Keep it simple. Keep it organized. We also want to keep a positive mind on all of the things. Keeping a positive mind can help us maintain positive attitudes, which will aid in overcoming challenges. When I first started recording, I didn't think I could record at home. I just had the mindset that I couldn't do it. And look at me now, I'm recording at home. My son's napping, my daughter's playing, and my oldest son is playing on his phone or the Nintendo, one of the two. But keep an open mind will help with these things. You can enhance your mood and confidence by practicing positive affirmations, gratitude, and you could also try meditation. And it's also beneficial to surround yourself with positive people. Negative Nancy here isn't going to help you. And we touched on it earlier when we talked about creating lists. You'll want to prioritize those lists. Not everything needs to be done all at the same time. We can push some stuff off a couple weeks. We can push some stuff off a couple days. You want to prioritize your list and see what needs to get done. For example, if I don't script my videos, I don't have a video to edit. Or if I don't script my videos, I don't have a video to record. If I don't have a video recorded, I don't have a video to edit. If I don't have a video to edit, I don't have a video to upload on YouTube. Like, I need to prioritize all of those steps to ensure that I'm consistent on YouTube. And also, some tasks we might just be able to eliminate. Like, it came across our mind, but do we really need to do it? And the last tip is we want to feed our brain. We want to continually grow as an individual and as a company. You are your own brand. Once you start putting content online and creating videos and blog posts, you become your own brand. So you want to continue to feed your brain. And this could be including learning new skills, knowledge, or information that can help you grow as a mompreneur, entrepreneur, parentpreneur, whatever entrepreneurship goal that you have. You can do this by reading, listening to podcasts, watching YouTube videos, taking courses, attending webinars, joining groups like Facebook groups, or even hiring a coach or mentor. And in some courses these days, that gets wrapped together. Like, you have a mentor as soon as you enter the program because they have groups and all these other things that you can reach out and talk to people. Being a mompreneur is a remarkable and a rewarding experience, but it comes with its own challenges. To master your journey, you need to consider setting goals, staying organized, seeking support when needed, taking breaks, and connecting with other like-minded individuals. Keep pushing yourself forward, keep motivated, and remember, you got this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.